There is no better sense of accomplishment in my mind than being able to see somebody come in to me at some point in their life and be at the absolute bottom for them. And it's great to see at the end of a month, 2 months, 2 years, that person come back to me and say, thank you for giving me my life back. Equity Search was formed in 1984 by 2 former IRS revenue officers in Buffalo, New York. And they went out on their own after serving with the IRS for over 20 years. There was some things within the IRS that they didn't like, and they wanted to go out and help taxpayers who would be taken advantage of. Since that time, we've grown to become a nationwide firm. When I got out of school, like most people, I really didn't know what I wanted to do with my life. Through some family acquaintances, I met a gentleman up in Buffalo, New York, who was one of the founders of the company. Back in 1984, and I went up there and interviewed with him, and he kept me around for a week, and at the end of the week he offered me a job, and I started working there, and I worked there from 1990 to 1997, and he taught me everything I know. Eventually I wanted to go out on my own. He was gracious enough to let me do that and help me do that, so I moved down to Washington, D.C. and opened up my own firm, and I've been doing that ever since. Our main office is in Tysons Corner, Virginia, which is just outside of Washington, D.C. It's an up-and-coming area. It's a mini city at this point, but it's right around the Beltway in Washington, D.C. That's where our corporate headquarters is. We serve from that area mainly eastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, and the surrounding area, Wilmington, Delaware, and the surrounding area, Baltimore, Washington, Northern Virginia, Richmond, Virginia, and Charlotte and Raleigh and the surrounding areas in North Carolina. Even though that's our primary places of business, I have clients all over the country, California, Nevada, Oregon. The good thing about technology these days is most documents that we need or handle can all be transmitted electronically, if not, through fax and phone. But like I tell everybody, if you want to meet face to face, I'm willing to do it anytime, anywhere you want. You can come to our offices, or in many cases, I go to you.